Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y72 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all vibration options on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Sound. Then scroll down again and tap on Vibrate Vocals. Over here, pick one of the options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to tap on this option and go back. Then you can click on the switcher next to notification vibration to enable or disable vibrations for your notifications and scroll down. Now click on the switchers next to all of those vibration features to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!